welcome back or welcome to my channel. If it's your first time here, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell to get notified whenever I post. Okay, I feel like I'm always coming to you guys a raggedy, but I'm sorry for that. I already started braiding, so as you saw by the title, this is going to be a knotless braid tutorial. You missed how I blow dried my hair, make sure to go check it out. I'll add the link in the iCards. I'll add a short clip here of how my hair looks. So my hair is blow dried for this look, and do not mind the parting, you guys. I cannot part to save my life. But yeah, let's get into the video. So before I start, I make sure my hair is well moisturized, and I add some edge control to every parting so my hair can look nice. The braids can look nice and neat.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing. It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
You guys, I'm done. I am so tired. It's like 1 o'clock or something in the morning, but I love the results. They came out so pretty, so beautiful. This is the back. I am tired, as you can see by my red eyes, but yeah, this is my knotless braids. I think jumbo medium knotless braids. I haven't braided my hair in so long, but I will try to keep them in for 3 weeks or 4 weeks. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to do that down below. Give this video a big thumbs up. Click that notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video, and see you in my next video. Bye guys, I love you guys so much. Bye guys.